2 to this, mainly because I hit stop instead of pause. But I have a little bit thicker wire. Where is it? Oh, right here. Okay, now this should probably do. I'm going to give the red a little bit longer. May have to coil it up a little bit up above here, but I'd rather have a little bit longer than just way too short. This one, it would be best to have a third hand with. So let me come back here and pause. Alright, here I am with my third hand. But you know what? Let me... No, I want to do that after. If you're a teenager, oh, that's not good. That's not the one I wanted it to loosen. Rats. If you're a teenager, that's probably, that's not good either. Probably the best time to get into doing this kind of work, because I am at the point to where I really can't see this much anymore. Okay, so take this off of here. You guys are still pretty good. So what I'm going to do is clean this up just a little bit here. See if I can get this to twist around. Does that look twisted to you? I really can't tell. Okay. We'll go with it. Huh, looks like that got it. Okay. This should be interesting. Let me just come over here and see if I can find smaller hands, smaller fingers. There. So I'm doing this to take up some of the slack on it, without having to cut it shorter. This way, if there's future repairs, I should be able to get them all done. Okay, that seems tight. So let's come here. You know, one of the really unknowns about this stuff is after you make the repair, will it work? Like I said, these were shorted, and I only have 2 batteries, so the batteries may be completely worn out. I'm not sure. So I may get all of this back together with no shorts, and the thing still wouldn't work. Although the weird thing was is that it actually did work for a couple weeks before my daughter said that the batteries were bad. Oops. But the batteries are bad. Alrighty. All the wires are connected. What I'll do is I'll try putting the batteries in and see if it works. So I can turn the fan off. Oh, wait, no, not yet. One thing you should always do before you turn off your soldering iron is to tin it. Keep it from rusting. I've seen people at work never do this, and they went through tips like you wouldn't believe. Okay. Possibly the delicate job's out of the way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the batteries in, and I have no clue whatsoever which way they go in here. They could actually go either way. I'm going to guess, since this side's wider, that that's negative right now. Although the negative black wire's on this side, it's usually a sign that that's negative. Let me see, and these big puppies, oh, that works because the big puppies are positive. Okay, so we'll stick you there. We'll stick you here. That one's, oh, it lights. The switch doesn't work. It lights all the time. You gotta be kidding me. How the snot did that happen? Oh, that's how the snot that happened. I'm not really paying attention, am I? Well, okay, so the batteries aren't completely gone, although they're a pain to get out of here. Okay, so in doing the repair, I really wasn't paying attention to, I guess, what I was doing. So they should go through here, go through the switch, and then come out. So what I'm guessing is there's 3 little tabs on this side and probably 3 on this side, but the soldering job was so bad that I just soldered everything together right there, and they're not supposed to be. Okay, hold on everyone. I'm going to put you back on pause.